package from Nadula. Let's open it together. I'm gonna install the wig for y'all today. We got some beautiful highlights. I'm already excited. I'm gonna show you guys what else is in here before we get into the wig. So they sent me a nice little care package, a melt band. We love that. Definitely gonna utilize that today. Set you up with some wig caps. I'm not double sure what this is. Oh, it's a brush. So when I'm needing to blend out my makeup, if I am blending it on the lace to make it blend to my skin, I forget about the lashes, which I super duper appreciate. These are long, real long. Bands. This one's a Nadula one. I'm using this one instead. Melt band. I'm gonna use that one instead for today's wig. And we also have a robe. This today because I actually already have on my shirt. But I'm gonna put it on this instead so I don't mess up my shirt, which is great. Let's put this on. Fire. Maybe I should take my shirt off up or something, then it will be able to fall on the robe versus my clothes. I'm very excited to install my wig now. Is there anything on the back? Oh, and then there's a Nadula sign on the back of it too. Too cute, on brand. Love that. Okay, let's install the wig now. I love these highlights. Perfect for summer. Perfect shade for summer. Oh, and it's a closure, guys. We have some combs here. It has a little bit of rubber right here on the sides, which I think is supposed to be like an easier grip to your head so that way the wig doesn't slip and slide. And then it has an elastic band, yes. And we also have another comb in the back, and that rubber is actually all the way around the entire unit. So I'm gonna do, I don't know if I'm gonna do baby hairs on this one or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, I don't know for sure. But let's try Glueless. Now this is lace melt spray. This is not glue, and I think some people miss that point, that when you say Glueless, I feel in my description, I'm gonna put it in my description. To me, Glueless is two different things. You can either use a spray, which is not a glue, it's just a holding spray, or you can literally have no type of product and lay your wig. It's up to you. But when I do my baby hairs, and also to ensure that it does melt into my skin like I want it to, I might use a little bit of spray. We'll see though. It just depends. So you can do either or. But anyways, let's get this baby installed. I'm gonna take this one off first. is the finished installation process of today's unit from Nadula hair. So as you can see, I stuck with the middle part, and that lace, I don't know what they put in this lace. I don't know what they put in this lace because it melted right into my skin, and I don't even think I've ever had a unit melt into my skin so perfectly before. So shout out to Nadula. It's like very thin. I gave myself like a little bit of baby hair just so it wouldn't look so straight across, but they're not perfect. They're kind of playful just to be a little more natural looking. And then I put some water and mousse on the hair after I brushed out, because you can see is when it came out of the package it was like really tight curls. I didn't want really tight curls. I wanted them to be a little bit more loose, a little bit more pulled apart. So that's what we did. You got to brush it out first, add your products back on there, and it looks so good. I can't wait to see what it looks like completely dry. This is probably about 70% dry right now, and then once it's fully dry I'll probably get a little bit more volume, which I do want to see it at a little bit of a bigger state, and I think it'll be so pretty. And this is a perfect color for summer, so if you guys are looking for something a little bit brighter, try out Nadula's highlighted unit, and I'll have the link in my description bar. And let me give you guys what 360 view too. You can for sure wear this unit without any product. It's just up to you. You can also wear it without any products on your lace, but I liked how mine looked with a little bit of my holding spray. But I can show you guys what it looks like with it glueless too. This is pulling it off and then putting it right back on. Okay. So anyways, if you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you check out my description bar. I will have a link for you guys. If you like today's video, make sure you leave a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and tell me what you think about it. If you're not subscribed already, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye y'all.